Hi everyone, welcome to BIMClue Revit tutorial. So in this tutorial, we're going to model something big. We're going to model a desalination plant. Okay, so what is desalination plant about? We're going to have a quick tour on this project. Okay, let's go through that. So at the starting point, we're going to suck up all the seawater from the open intake. Then we will transfer all the seawater going to the desalination plant. So alternatively, we can also use the well system. So well system is consists of a vertical pump or a few vertical pumps that's going to suck the underground water nearby the sea, then travel to the desalination plant. Okay, two options. So up to the plant, we will have a series of system, and this is all the equipments that arrangement of the equipments that we're going to model step by step using Revit. Okay, so it looks complicated, but don't worry, we're going to guide you step by step. Okay, so let's go into the first system. We're going to have an intake suction pump that's going to pressurize the water going through the process. So we're going to have a pre-chlorination, and then we have a reservoir that's going to store the raw water. Then we're going to pump the water to the following process. Okay, the first process that we're going through is the coagulation process. This coagulation process will coagulate all the particles in the salt water to a bigger particles. Then it will pass the water through the sand filters and then to filter out the bigger particles. Okay, we have a backwash pump and a reservoir for the sand filter, and then we're going to adjust the pH of the salt water. After that, we're going to have a microfilter that's going to filter out of even finer particles in the salt water. Then we have a high pressure pump that will pump the water going through a higher technology filter, which is the reverse osmosis array. So this is an array of reverse osmosis filter cells. Okay, then we'll have a hydrovac tank that temporarily store the water. Then we have an intermediate storage tank. Then after that, we need to remineralize the water by using the remineralize system. Okay, then we'll have a booster pump that going through the disinfection system. Then finally, we will reach the storage tank. This storage tank serves for intermediate water storage that's going to pump the water going to the end consumers. Okay, this is the whole concept of desalination about, and every equipment and arrangement that we're going to model is by using the Revit software. Okay, and of course a Twinmotion. It looks complicated, but don't worry, we'll guide you step by step going through that, and this is the end result. And then you can show your beautiful end results to your partners, your clients, that this is what you are capable to produce. Okay, good luck and welcome to join our BIMClue Revit tutorial.